In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this together, step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your password safely and confidently. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Look towards the upper right corner of the Teams window. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a photo, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where you access your account settings and related options. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account and click on it. This will open your Microsoft account page in a new browser tab. Teams passwords are managed through your Microsoft account, not directly inside the Teams interface, which is why we're switching over to this page. Once the Microsoft account page loads, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top, such as Overview, Privacy, and others. What you want to focus on here is the Security section. Go ahead and click on Security. This takes you to the part of your account where you manage things like passwords, sign-in options, and other security settings. On the Security page, you'll see different panels and links related to protecting your account. Look for the area that specifically mentions your password. There should be an option or a link labeled Change near your password information. Click on that Change link. At this point, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This could involve entering a code sent to your email, phone, or using another verification method you've set up. Follow the prompts on screen to complete this verification step. It's an extra layer of protection to make sure only you can change your password. After verification, you'll be asked to enter your current password and then type your new password twice. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. A good rule of thumb is to mix upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess, like simple words or personal details. Once you've entered everything correctly, confirm the change. Your Microsoft account password is now updated, and this new password will be the one you use to sign into Microsoft Teams going forward.